Take a ride in the 2016
Chevy Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc and rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.